Hello guys, good afternoon, friends and gentlemen. Martin here, Southwest for the Southwest. Today I'm here in Naples and trying to do a coat to the residents. See, this is a long driveway and it looks like it needs pressure washing. It's a brick and it's very dirtier. And all the house right there, so I'm here to just coating a gutter cleaning, supposed to be, but I guess they probably need a pressure washing. So just getting in this driveway here, which is pretty dirty here. So look at this, and it looks like it's a this is the end of the road in this great neighborhood. Like I said, look at this here. It's an awesome driveway and kind of like a very looking good driveway, and I see a gutter cleaning there, and like a pretty dirty gutter cleaning. This, and looking around the gutters, this residence. Yep. So yeah, I just come here and look around for gutter.